Hello students, so you have received the mail regarding the Intenshala. So today is the last day to apply. Yesterday is the last day to apply. I hope many of you applied and for the internships. So just I'm doing a video on that, how to create a or how to apply internship on the Intenshala for those who are not aware about these things, the internships, right? So you please follow each and every step, and you can apply more and more the internships through Intenshala. So first of all, you need to click the link. Then it will ask about the email, and you will be directed. Uh, your page will come like this. So it shows that this company is now just closed. To apply other exciting internships, please click here. You need to click here. Now this is the interface where you can apply the most internships or online trainings or contest or fresher jobs. Okay, so here first of all, category, you have to select your department name. Myself, I'm selecting department name computer science. Just example I'm showing, and yourself you have to do computer science and select. Now location, I'm selecting Hyderabad. And next filtration I'm giving, include work from home also. Part time, yes, I'm selecting part time. So these two fields are not required. So when you are selecting the internship, there you can find all those things, nothing to worry. So now 1936 work from home computer science jobs are available. So this is the contest. So based on Python, Android, marketing, what and all. So for example, if you want to apply this contest, so you have to click here, view contest. So you will be having 35,000 first prize, second prize 20,000, third prize 10,000 cash. So these are the contest are available. So some fees will be there for this to apply. Let us suppose a programming with Python, if you choose, you have to click on that. Then registration fee is there, and after registration, so you will be directed and you will be in the participation and competition, and you will get the certification also. So this is the timeline. In the timeline you have to complete the contest. Okay, that is about general information regarding the contest. And mainly you have to come to the selection of the internships. For example, the web development is one internship which is available from the which is available for work from home and provided by the Malav Mehta. Click here, so you can find all the details of the internships here. The start date is immediately, duration is 6 months, stipend 3 to 5 months, 5,000 per month, and apply by 11th August. Last date to apply for this internship is 11 August 2020. So you can read about this company. So we are a group of fintech professionals with a combined experience of 40 years of technology in banking and financial domain. So we are working on product in the e-commerce payments domain, where we are conducting a proof of concept with a closed user group and plan to expand active user base for target segment of customers. Then what they are expecting about the work from home responsibilities: working with the JavaScript, HTML and CSS based development of applications, debugging, testing and releasing of the applications, maintaining, supporting and issuing resolution of existing modules, upgrading and enhancing new features. Skills are required: HTML, CSS, JavaScript. So if you know already, you have learned these three technologies, then you can apply directly, and once you applied also you can learn. So learn these skills on the internal trainings, Internship trainings they also provided. So you can see here, so this is the training they are provided, but you have to pay something, which is not required to learn through Internship. You can learn from anywhere. You can see videos of YouTube and you can learn all those things, and you can go for the interview. Who can apply? Are available from work from home, can start work from home jobs. So this is the relevant information about this internship. So after that, what are the benefits you will get? Certificate, letter of recommendation, flexible work hours. So number of openings are 1. So you have to see this information. If you want to apply only, just I am showing how to apply. So whether you are interested or not, and whether it is suitable or not, you have to verify this information. Once it is you feel that it is suitable, then you can go for application, apply now. So here already I have given some information. So first of all, it is asking basically the personal details. There you have to fill up all your details. I already filled, that's why it is showing already the filled information. You have to fill. Those who are applying first, you have to fill. And education also I have filled as a student. The graduation status is it is asking pursuing or completed. If you are completed, you can click completed. If you are pursuing, you have to click select pursuing. And college name you have to select BVRIT Institute of Technology, BVRIT. And starting year, so here, so when you have joined in this college, you have to select whether it is 2018 or 2017 or 2016. So 2016 is nothing but your passout will be 2020, 17 means 21, 18 means 22, 19 means 23, right? So for example, if I am a student of 2018, my expected end year is 2022, and degrees you have to select BTech, and stream it is optional, computer science and engineering. And performance scale, here you have to select a CGPA, and you have to mention the CGPA. So it is already I have updated given, that's why it is showing like this. But for those who are applying first time, it is asking all the details. You can select the jobs here, add job. If you are doing job, you can select, otherwise you can leave. Internships, if you have already have done any internships, you have to select the profile where you have done and which organization provided for you, and where you, the location, in which location you have done. Is it work from home or from a direct, like that it is asking. The starting date and all other information you have to give, and I have to select this save. And position of responsibility, so if you have done any relation the internship, these all are applicable. If you are applying first time, which is not required for you. And trainings, add training. If you are already are doing lot of trainings, so then if you have undergone any training, you can select here. For example, I am writing database design, I have done my training, like that example. So through which organization I have done? Oracle. And where you have done? Hyderabad. Online. Choose date, so on so date you have to select, and you have to click save button. So then the you will be your application will be in first place, or in a the good position to select, because of you are having the trainings. These all are assets for your profile. Projects, if you have done any project, you can add all these projects here. You have to select the title, and when you have done that project, that information you have to submit. What are your skills? Here you need to add all your skills. So just I have done the field like Java beginner. You can add here some Python beginner, SQL I am writing beginner. So like that you can add all the skills here, and if you have any work samples you can add, like your profile, LinkedIn profile or blog link, other portfolio profile. Here you can paste the LinkedIn profile. So additional details, if you want to submit any additional details, if you would like to mention anything else in your resume, so out of your resume, if you want to add anything, you can write here about your strengths, weakness, those which are not mentioned in the resume, we can write there. So once it is completed, so you will be directed to proceed to application. So assessment questions. So why should you be hired for this role? That you have to clarify, mention in detail what relevant skill or past experience you have for this internship, what excites you about this internship, why would be a good fit. So this information they are asking, you have to justify in some few lines why should they offer, like what are the trainings you have undergone regarding the web development, and what is your interest, and do you have any certifications on that, do you have any special books on that, if do you have any articles on that, do you have any prizes on that, do you have any specializations about the web development, because you have opted for applying for the internship, right? So that you have to mention in this box. After that, are you available for 6 months starting immediately for a work for home internship? If not, what is the time period you are available for and the earliest date you can start this internship on? So is asking the confirmation, can you do this 6 months or not? So that but we'll have examination for 15 days in June. So this you have to think and write, I am available full time in Pune for the next 6 months. So work from home, so you are from home, that's why you can available like that. So justification you have to write all those things. So once you have written, so you are going to be this application will be submitted. Just example I am showing. So then it will be submitted. So your application has been submitted, you can track it on your dashboard. Okay, similar internships you may have, web development, lot of web development internships are there. So you please you can go through all those internships and you verify it, the starting date or duration or stipend and the skills, required skills which are suitable to you or not, then you can go for it, which are similar internships. Otherwise you can go for the searching the new internships. So front end development, software testing, PHP, web development, again artificial intelligence, AI, it is showing 5,500 rupees monthly. So if you want to apply this, you can go through the details and you have to fill all the, once you have filled all the details, so it is going to be coming for everything. You have to select, you have to verify the skills and what are the benefits and the number of openings are there. So based on that, these details you have to check. Okay, and so what they are expecting, that you have to verify, and skills you have to verify, and the conditions you have to verify, and benefits you have to verify, number of openings you have to verify. So if you feel it is good, then you can go for apply. So once you have filled all those details, it will be repeated and it will be carry for every application, no need to fill every time. So you can go to directly proceed to applications. You have to why you have to write that information. So already something you have written, that you can also copy from this. So after doing filling all those details which are relevant to this, then you can go for submission. Clear? I hope it is clear. Now you can go for searching of other internships, which is gone. Again you have to select here computer science, or for example mechanical engineering I am selecting. Hyderabad location, work from home, part time, So you can see here which are relevant to mechanical engineering: product design, virtual interior designing, engineering, CAD design, engineering design, online tutoring, robotics. So anyways, you have to click on view details. You have to verify the details which are what they are expecting from us. You can see here 479 applicants are already applied, and you have to verify the skills which are required for that, and the result and number of openings, and you can go for application, right? So like that you can apply more and more internships. You will get the offers from that internships and the information from that what do you call the all internships. Then you will be getting any internship, then you can do that internship and you can add to that internship to the profile, and automatically your profile will be what do you call so it is going to be enhancing or increasing from day to day, or month to month, or semester to semester. So by the end of your the career or the course, after when you are attending for the placements, these all achievements will be helpful for you, and your application will be, your resume will be very and very good resume. So then you will be automatically selected. Okay, so this is the my applications tab. You can select here how many applications you have applied. It is showing. So review application, you can also check again. So like that you can apply, just to go through like this, and you better to have this type of habit. So you can see here web development, 37 participants already applied on 28th July. So then you will get a confirmation about this information, these internships, whether you have to approach for the further process or not. Like that you will get information. So just my intention is motivating the students to go for the doing or applying for the internships, and you have to learn the skills which are required or which are suitable for the internships which are provided by them, provided by the Internshala. Then it will be a good asset for you. Okay, that I am expecting. So that's all for now. Thank you.